Confused over collagen boosters or fillers? Well, they don't replace each other. Each one has a role. But many times you see results gone very overfilled syndrome, overfilled look, overfilled faces, and you're wondering what actually went wrong. And this is a procedure that I don't want to do. But please understand here, this is actually the fault of the injector or not proper decision making. So both of them have a big role to play in aesthetics and anti-aging. But today I'm going to talk about mainly collagen boosters and when you should select collagen boosters over fillers. So yes, the first reason, okay, if you do not want too much of volume on your face, but mainly you want more of collagen building, want to look very, very natural, definitely look at collagen boosters. So if you look at yourself in the mirror and you feel that, yes, I'm not happy with the way I look, or my skin feels, or the texture of my skin is, or my skin doesn't look as hydrated, but I'm not dissatisfied with my volume, then think more about collagen boosters. Yes, fillers are very, very helpful if you have hollowness, under eye hollowness, or deep lines, or volume loss. Of course, you need fillers. But if you do think that you want long-term skin health, long-term collagen stimulation, then think of collagen boosters. Thirdly, if you want gradual improvement of skin, now what do I mean by this? Aging is an ongoing process. So what actually happens is that the body is constantly breaking down collagen because of the aging process and body is rebuilding it. As we age or as our skin health deteriorates, what actually happens is that the destruction of collagen is much faster than the production, and hence you start looking older, hence you start sagging, you guys start getting wrinkles, and overall deterioration of skin health happens. So if your goal and is long-term stimulation or production of this collagen, definitely look at collagen boosters. Fourthly, collagen boosters not only stimulate collagen formation but also elastin formation. Elastin is mainly used for the elasticity or partly also for skin tightening. So yes, collagen boosters can help in skin tightening too. Lastly, and the most important point is, if you want massive volume restoration, think of fillers or think of fat grafting. But if you want subtle volume restoration, always think of collagen boosters, okay? Because they will increase the production of collagen and elastin fibers and will give you subtle volume changes. But yes, if you do have a lot of volume loss, you have to go in for fillers or fat graft. So don't choose trends, choose actually what your skin needs and what you actually need. For this, always consult a qualified doctor. To know more, call on the numbers below or do visit our website and do consult us.